Okay, Lilay will now identify the alphabet in the refrigerator. What letter is this, Lilay?
Teresa.
What letter is that?
C. Card.
What letter is this?
S.
How about that one?
Here.
What letter is that?
B.
D. That one?
O.
Oh. This one?
B.
B.
Carla Leslie.
How about that one? What letter is
D.
this? What letter is this?
I.
This one? This one?
Yes.
What letter is this first? Letter? Letter?
Ha?
What letter is this?
Yes.
Gusto no? Point ni mama. What letter?
L.
N. This one?
N.
U.
U.
This one?
Dapat din.
What letter is that?
L.
L. Very good. This one?
Dapat naman din ha.
Ito siya sa ibabaw. This one, what letter is this?
Z.
No, this one?
R.
R. This one?
V.
How about this?
M.
Oh, very good ko. This one?
H.
B.
B.
How about this?
Q.
U. This one?
R.
This one?
H.
H. Very good. This one?
J.
J. How about this?
Y.
Y. This one?
How about this?
How about this?
How about this?
What letter is that?
W.
Oh, very good.
This letter is this.
What letter is that?
A.
A.
This letter is this.
What letter is that?
K.
K. Very good.
Let me see.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.